Auto duck music. So one of the common tasks is like when we're a DJ and the DJ's talking and they want to speak over the music. So we can have the music automatically get quieter when the narration is going on. This is called ducking. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're in our audio. We're going to select on one of our tracks. In this case here, this is my narration. I'm going to go into my essential sounds. I'm going to choose the type that is, and I'm going to say it's dialogue. Okay, and that's all I'm going to pick. I don't need to pick anything else at the moment. I'll come down here into my music, and I'm going to choose that it is actually music. When I pick on music, you'll see I have ducking right here. I can turn this on. It says, what are we going to duck against? We're going to duck against our dialogue clips. And so at this point then, we're all set up. We can come down here and play with our sensitivity, which I'll set at 6 here, and a duck against is at -18. I'll maybe just drop that down to maybe just to play with it here, I'll go with a -10. We can always change these, by the way. And fades at maybe 500. Okay, and then I want to say generate keyframes. All right, and then I need to play. I need to play the sequence. Okay, and in this I don't have it coming up until over here, but auto ducking is, if there's a lot of conversation, it's hard for us to go in and out, in and out. This will do it automatically for us. And nothing's happening right now because there is no dialogue, okay? But it will happen shortly here and in the beginning. I suppose I could have started it later here, but so it's going to start generating keyframes right here. Okay, so it will duck it in automatically, and it'll generate some keyframes for us. And so if I go into my effects controls here, you can see that we will generate this auto ducking in our sound, and it's a quick way of constantly adjusting our volume up and down. And so I'll come in here and okay, so we did throw some keyframes in there, and so we auto ducked the music with the narration.